the best way to run Instagram ads in 2024. This method works better than just doing right for the sale, and it is all about the ad type, which is the reels, and putting yourself in the front of an audience over and over again. I call this my omnipresence reels strategy. First, create one specific reel ad to attract your ideal customer, and it is not supposed to look like an ad at all, and it should just be a content based on a topic that resonates with them, that's closely related to your offer. Then retarget anyone who watched it for over 3 seconds with a variety of reels to each hit on the different psychological triggers, and include a how to or tip style reels and a couple of advice ones and a more inspirational, and whatever you can try. And this approach work better than just throwing out a single ad and hoping it works. Keep the targeting wide open and set the campaign engagement type to the video view with the total budget of around 200 rupees per day.